Recon here with Techout, and today Apple released iOS 26 Beta 2, as well as the Beta 2 for macOS, tvOS, watchOS, iPadOS, and all the other software versions that are in beta right now. And this is a major improvement over what we got in Beta 1. So far, haven't used this phone, as a daily yet since the update, but the battery life, at least on standby time, and just overall kind of getting things updated again. Battery life does seem to be a little bit better. It's been 3 hours since I unplugged this device, almost 4 hours, and we're at 75%. Now, keep in mind that battery usage does include some time on Beta 1, as well as updating the phone on battery and then updating apps. I had 33 app updates in the App Store that I updated on battery as well. So all that was done on battery, and it seems to be pretty smooth here. It's not running too bad whatsoever. Why is sleep mode on? I don't know why sleep mode is on. But yeah, it's not running too bad whatsoever. It seems to be a lot more fluid. There's a lot more animations, I feel, that are new or work a lot better in iOS 26 Beta 2. Like if we go to edit the home screen here, I'll just show you, for example, if I hit the edit button here, you can see how that window kind of curves in like that. I feel like that is something new in Beta 2. I don't remember that being there in Beta 1. They did fix the issue where the little widget thing down here, if you have your widgets on the bottom, was overlapping the your status down there, your focus mode. That no longer overlaps, so they did correct that issue. As you can see there, just unlocking the phone and stuff like that just feels a lot better, a lot smoother. Everybody's been asking about the control center. This is the new control center right here. The background is a lot more blurred, and the icons themselves have a lot more blur on the background, so you can kind of read the text a little bit easier and see the icons a lot easier as well. Aaron over at Zolotech, if I can find his post here, did a comparison of them. Here we go. Did a comparison of them. So here's his right here on Beta 1 and then Beta 2. On Beta 1, you can almost read you can actually read like the YouTube app label down there, and then on Beta 2, it's blurred to the point where you can't actually see text or anything like that in the background. So a lot different there, as well as some changes with notifications and stuff like that, and how the background appears on those. So a lot easier to read. That kind of stuff has been updated. I just noticed in the search thing, when you search something, you see we have a little magnifying glass down there on the where the search button is. And then if I type something in, you can see it goes to like a little enter key. So you can hit enter on that, like to open the watch app. I think that might be new. Tell me if it's not, but I don't remember that being there before either. So performance greatly improved. Battery life so far seems to be improving a little bit. We'll have to do a long-term test on that to see, how well the battery life is actually doing. Of course, I'll update you guys on that here in future videos. Right when I started recording this video, the release notes were not out yet, so I don't have any of that. So this is just the initial impressions with some of the questions I got during the live stream. Yes, it's better. No, I wouldn't install it on your daily device just quite yet. I'd probably wait till Beta 3 or until the public beta comes out and see how things are running then. So far, I haven't had any crashes or anything like that. Like I said, haven't been using it full term yet. So we're going to test this for the next, 24 to 48 hours, and then I will report back with any crashes or major issues that I might have, because I was having some of that in Beta 1, some system crashes and stuff like that, which we've gone over in other videos, and I talked about that in my live stream as well when I installed Beta 2. But so far, very good improvements for just being on the second beta. It's way better than what we had on Beta 1. Beta 1 was kind of a mess, so I'm glad that they're working those things out so quickly. And once the release notes are out, I'll go over those and I'll check for some new stuff. And then, like I said, I'll do an update video as well once we see all that kind of stuff. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.